Hi everybody, this is Subshah. I'm back another day with another quick, more shopping video. So I ordered a new hardtop stand from EDC Germany. I don't remember where I bought the old one from, but I paid 150 euro. My friend told me that I paid at least a double for the old one. And yeah, I now realize that they are different. This one is not at all as stable as the old one, and the old one has bigger bolts, and yeah, but the design is the same, and the pillows that I really don't like is the same. That's why I put this one, but I don't think this will do any good because yeah, it will still touch these. So I'm going to have to get me a thicker one like this. So what I don't like with it is that these pillows, dampers, they leave marks on the roof. And I've tried to stand the roof like that and like that, but yeah, I don't like it. So my thought was this will at least take a larger spot on the roof. It will still leave marks, but for 10 years I've been using this one, and these two marks that have been left on the roof, Sonax has polished those two spots for me over and over for 10 years, and they don't want to do that anymore because then there will be no color left. I've tried with blankets and yada yada yada, but it still leaves marks because all the force is on that small spot. So now the force, the weight is on a bigger spot, I hope. But as you can see, no, it won't. So a thicker one like this. And oh yeah, the old one comes with straps that I more or less don't use at all. And the new one came with a cover that I won't be using either. So the new one is from EDC Germany, and I don't know where the old one is from, but it cost twice as much for 10 years ago. So 150 euro and at least 300 euro many years ago. I think because me and my friend, we bought one each, and I think we paid 1,000 euro, maybe with or without shipping, 10 years ago. So I really hope this will do. I'm not going to roll around with the roof anyway, so it just needs to be standing still. So you guys that have the R129 or any other car with the hardtop, how do you storage it? Yeah, it's absolutely a huge difference in stability, and the bolt and washers and yada yada yada. The new one that is way cheaper from EC Germany is not at all as steady built, but it does the job. Still a little bit too easy to move around, but you can lock the wheels. So I accidentally damaged some other car parts. I'm ashamed to show you what it looks like in my storage room. And then I'm going to fit another roof here, if I can get in somehow in this tight space with another roof. But yeah, it works. So for 150 euro, it's good enough.